Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration, dual sun moonroof. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2015 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.